It was the only solution, period, full stop. Conventional construction would not have worked in the time frame that we needed it. My name's Glenn Pestrin, and I'm the CEO of Modular Precast. We're sitting on 20 acres. Our building's approximately 110,000 square feet. We're investigating various manufacturers. Toro's name kept popping up, not only through references of friends, but through architects and engineers. So it was pretty well through word of mouth, I would say. When we finally had a chance to meet Toro face to face and review their portfolio, it was incredibly impressive. The size of buildings that they've done, the locations, multinational building, understanding building codes, and the ability to translate all those requirements to a final product was really impressive in their portfolio. The overall experience was excellent, and what I really enjoyed the most was that first sit down and the time that they took to understand my expectations on all levels, budget, time-wise, constructability, and they were very forthcoming with any barriers that they could have encountered, and they already had a plan in place on how to deal with them. So that really was sort of the icing on the cake for us. But we had very specific equipment requirements coming in from Germany, and Toro coordinated with the overseas engineers to ensure that everything would fit within the space. And again, having that first meeting together, setting all those expectations, it didn't really start off as a venture. It was more like a bunch of guys getting together at a pub for a beer, and that same energy kept going. Yeah, there was problems, there was tense moments. Everybody kept coming back to the table for a solution. And I think it's because the intention was there to give us a quality product. No, they exceeded expectations, timeline, product delivery. I cannot believe how open they were. We actually brought an envelope consultant in to make sure we had designed things properly. They were very open to understanding our needs and to constructive criticism. There were some areas where the consultant pointed out a few little tweaks that needed to be done. Toro was there, no questions asked, and got it done because they knew it was a better way to build. The date they gave us, you could have set your stopwatch on it. They told us how many trailers were going to set up in a day, where their cranes were going to be. They even put an X on where their job shack and office was going to be and made sure they cleared it with us. Gave me a laid out drawing of what members were going to go where all the miscellaneous equipment was going to go, their crane, their forklifts. It was excellent. The drawings are absolutely crystal clear that any layman can pick up and understand them. We all knew they were very clear on the drawings that they gave us to prepare the site and the footings. Clear, concise, and this clear, logical process was followed all the way through. It's really simple. Structure goes up, siding goes up, roof goes up, and it's a real simple thing to follow. Open book, you can see how fast production's going. They have an assembled of a piece count. It's like the IKEA of buildings. If you know, you'll know there's a problem right away. There's no black magic in this. It's super, super simple and easy. Extremely satisfied with our Toro building. I would recommend Toro. As I've said before, cost, speed, organization, and quality. It's all there. It's all there. And having that team effort and putting your interpretations of success before theirs is what really differentiates them.